Are you like me trying to prioritize fiber and protein in your diet? Then watch this video and make this dish. Cut up 2 bell peppers, 1 sweet potato, 3 tomatoes, the head of 1 garlic bulb, 1 onion, 1 pack of silken tofu, and put it all in a glass dish. You'll roast these veggies at 425 in the oven for 30 minutes. At the same time, you will be roasting chickpeas. Drain, rinse, and dry 1 can of chickpeas and put them in the oven alongside your veggies. Be sure to spray with oil and salt your chickpeas. Your veggies should look something like this once they're done. And then put a little bit of garlic salt on the chickpeas for extra flavor. Transfer everything into a high-powered blender or use an immersion blender, but be sure to add some water so that it combines well. Once done, transfer to a large soup pot and put the heat on medium. I add in soy sauce, and I also add in ginger powder. That's ginger powder if you didn't see it the first time. I add in white pepper, but you can use black pepper, some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then mix to combine. In a separate pan, preheat your pan so you can make your grilled cheese. I used mayo on my bread, but you could also use butter. I do a thin slice and I put it mayo side down and add my cheese. Then I add another piece of bread on top and then cover so that the cheese can melt. Once it's golden on the bottom, I give it a flip and then cover back so the cheese can finish melting. And once your grilled cheese is done, you're ready to eat. So serve your soup in a bowl, top with the chickpeas, and then dip your grilled cheese into the soup. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much. Bye.